Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 20th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, a company we're going to take a look at today is Target Corp. You all know this company very, very well, one of the leading retailers in the United States. And what you're going to see here is that this stock has been coming under some severe pressure as of late. Stock put in a little bit of a high in the month of July, and it actually was even higher if you go back and look at the month of April, where it traded around 84 bucks. Today, Target sits right around the $67 level, and it is below the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and even the 20-day moving average. And we see something like this. This tells us that the stock still has lower to go. So what we want to do is we want to go over to our bigger time frame, which is the weekly chart, and we want to see where will this stock find support. Where is this stock going to come into a level where we could possibly own it? Well, let's zoom in, and what you're going to see here is that the stock actually broke out. You could make a case somewhere around here, anywhere between 60 and 65. So when I look at this equity right off the bat, I just try to split hairs, and I go down to around the 62.50 area. And when you go there, what you're going to see is this is a level where traders can look to get into Target. You're basically going to have an easy trade on your hands. You're really just going to put a stop below this pivot low. This pivot low is $58.72. And any close below there, you just stop out. But this is where Target wants to come down to. And you can just see the way that this is all building pressure here. You've tested a level. Next time it breaks, it's going to go right down into that heart of this bar. And if you go back and you look at when you go back and look at November 2014, that's where this thing really broke out, and then it started its big uptrend. So that tells us this is where the institutions are sitting. So they're waiting for that level again. A lot of firms have to protect stock there. Other firms want to get back in at that level. So that's where we want to get involved in Target. So if you're looking at a price range to get involved in Target on the long side, it's going to be all the way around 62.50, maybe 63 bucks, somewhere in that vicinity. And again, you put your stop loss right below the low here at 58.72. And if it closes there on a weekly chart basis, you move on out. But this is a very good risk reward. Stock can easily pop back to $70. So keep that on the radar. That's what we'll be watching. And again, Target setting up just that way. If you want to trade alongside of us, always come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll get all of our chart setups. You'll get all of our content. And you'll receive our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. We will have a No Hype Live broadcast a little bit later today. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.